Yeah, I am making a video of the plasma punch, so you guys actually get to see what it is and how it works. So I'm not using spotter. I'm just using ballistic knives for fun. Every first kill I have a ballistic knife has to be a ballistic kill before going to something else. So I finally killed the guy. There's a couple of shots. This gun is only good for short range, just cause, and it only has 4 rounds in the clip. It's the shortest shotgun that has smallest clip, so it's a good decent weapon. It's not decent of the damage. The damage in this is good, but in the Ghost update of the damage is terrible from the Beast, the Marshmallow Man. You guys know who that is. He won't be able to. This gun won't be able to have a chance of it, just because of its weakness and its power, and of how you can. If you can handle this really good, you'll be able to get used to this. And I just ran a fight right there, but since they're always noobs, I can take them on. So the tips that you need to do in this is just fire when the cursor gets red. That's my tip. See, look. Oh no, he's gonna die. No, I'm the only one that kills anyone. No, I just missed. If you hear anything in the background, we're just going somewhere. But I'm doing a really easy, quick game. So, seeing how much kills I can get with this gun isn't... If I get a good score, I don't care what you guys will say if I get a terrible score. It's just because this gun is not a good gun, to be honest. It's a good gun, but it's never good for a marshmallow gun. But another tip you guys should use is stay still once you're using this gun. So all the bullets and all the hits that you get will count, not every miss like I just did right there. See, look, if I keep moving, I'll do less damage because I'm moving. If I stay still, it does quick damage. Even if I stop right there, see, I had to stop, but I couldn't get the first I think 4 shots at him. And I have been clutching a lot of these just because I'm trying my best so you guys don't hate me. So if you guys like this video, please subscribe, and if you hear anything, I'm so sorry about that. It's just some of my friends and family. So if you guys like this, please subscribe, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe, and if you like this video, like it, and yeah, peace out.